What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a rod set. So it's like half rod set, half twist out type of situation going on. I have my Ampro olive oil gel. I also have my Camille Rose Curl Maker. And I have some rods that I'm going to use, and I have my comb. So I'm just going to take a small section, and I'm going to put my curl maker on and twist.
I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? What are we showing? What are we showing?
Here, I'm going to put my gel. A good amount. Then I'm going to comb it through a little. And then I'm going to put my rod. And then I'm going to continue, same thing on.
I keep on growing up from you. I keep on knowing. You keep on showing me things. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? I ain't never left you alone. Even after knowing you ain't gone. I know you and me are wrong. Still, I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I haven't left you. I ain't never left you alone.
20 years later, I'm finally done. I ended up having to use 24 rods, and that probably wasn't even enough. I probably needed, hold on, 26. I probably needed like 26, 28 rods. What I ended up doing, like in the back, I ended up twisting two and then putting them on one rod because your girl ran out of rods and I didn't have, and I still wanted it to be, so yeah, I mean, let me see what it's looking like. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna let this air dry for the entire night, and yeah, tomorrow I'll do my makeup, look all glam or whatever, and y'all will see the final look. Bye. So this is what we looking like. Most of them dried nicely, but this one to the back, it's just a mess. This one, I had them both joined together, so they're a mess. And these are looking good. Everything else is looking good except for those two that I had joined together and they didn't dry properly. I guess it was too thick. So I'm going to unravel these.
I keep on growing on from you. I keep on knowing. You keep on showing me we lose. I keep on holding to you. What am I holding on to? What are we showing? What are we showing this time? I'm tired of faking, feeding you the lines. We're not amazing. Why does we changing feel right? Our love's a lion, paralyzed for life. Don't you know that we need to grow? You keeping us below where we can go. Don't know why.
Okay, y'all. So this is the results of the rod set with the twist. Since my hair is still not completely dry, even if I blow dried it a little bit, some areas still feel a little damp. I'm not going to unravel it anymore. I'm just going to leave it like this and wear it like this until it gets completely dry. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. Like, oh my gosh, it is so cute. And oh my god, I can't even talk. The blonde at the end of the tips is like so cute. Oh my gosh, it is just perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. Oh, it turned out so cute. And the results of the rod set is super cute too. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at it. Oh my gosh. She is looking cute. Oh my gosh, it's looking so nice. I really love it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.